Hey guys, today we'll be unboxing the Hartwares rowing machine. My parents wanted to exercise, so my dad bought this rowing machine. Today we're going to unbox it now. So this is the box, Hartwares Magnetic Rowing Machine, with a team lift for your safety, of course. I'm showing the rest of the picture of it. Okay, so these are the specifications of it. Specifications of it again. Yeah, specifications. Quantity 1 piece, gross weight 49.95 lbs, everything else. Magnetic rowing machine. It's model 53003B. That's the barcode. Okay, we're gonna open the box now. With all those things inside it. This is the manual of the Hartwares rowing machine. So it's a user manual, just a table of contents for everything you need about it. At the end, I believe you'll get the roll bits now. Table of contents. So just watch. So here I believe we start the building process. This is just the key for all the pieces. These are the wrenches you need. Open the page again. That's all the screws where you can put them. I believe some kind of list of all the stuff with their indexes. The rest of the pieces, the diagrams, instructions, captions. Also, if you're enjoying the video, make sure to subscribe to Vinny Roca if you're new. Please subscribe. It really is just only one button. But yeah, this is the entire product assembled, the Hartwares rowing machine. In a moment, I'll explain how you use it, of course. Okay, so see that handle? Basically, it's like rowing. So you need to pull it. You need to pull it back and forth. There'll be a magnet inside. This is just kind of what there'll be a magnet inside, slowing the thing down, making it hard to pull it. So like the more you pull it, the more you strengthen your muscles. That dial right there changes the hardness or the difficulty of it. So like once you've completed one level, you just move on to the next. 16 is the max. Those footrests are where you keep your feet, and like the seat is where you glide on the shaft. Basically, you sit on the chair and you put your feet on those footrests. You hold on to the handle and you pull back and forth and like make the seat move too. Then again, the dial where you turn it changes the hardness. So in a moment we'll try it now. See, my seat is on the cushion and like my feet are in the footrest. I push back and forth while holding the handle. You can see how like there will be a magnet inside the cylinder of the Hartwares. It will hold the rope, so it makes it harder depending on how if you pull the dial. So that's how you exercise. I believe that when you pull it, it exercises your arm muscles and chest, and that when you push back and forth on the seat, your feet get exercised a bit. Once you get a hang of it, you can start rowing faster. Eventually, you'll get stronger with this. Most of the time, I felt that I got better with this, actually. What else is cramming up? So now my little sister will try it now. Guess you couldn't do it. Okay. Also, if you have kids and like you buy this rowing machine, they might use this as a slide. If you're okay with them using it as a slide, you should tell them. If they get bored, they can use this. So, if you liked our video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe button. Subscribe if you like this video.